Which of the following API is primarily used by Facebook? A. REST API, B. Graph API, C. Swap API, D. WebSocket API. Now pause this video for 10 seconds and guess the correct answer. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is option B, Graph API. Facebook primarily use Graph API. Now let's see little bit more about Graph API. The Facebook Graph API, developed by Meta Platforms, is the main API that allows developer to read and write data to and from Facebook. It represents Facebook social network as a graph, where nodes are objects like user or page and edge are relationships like friends or likes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more video.